Welcome to Mel Bear's Weird and Wonderful. Today I'll show you how to make this very cool lemon lime drippy lava lamp tumbler. I put out at least one new video every week, so please do subscribe. Thanks for watching. Alright, so today we're going to make kind of a spin-off of another tumbler I did a few weeks ago, and it's going to be another lemon lime tumbler. So we're going to need a hollow walled tumbler drilled out. I do have a video on drilling out tumblers if you need help with that. You're going to need white icing color. This is a water-based icing color. It has to be water-based or this won't work. You're going to need an oil food coloring, and again, this has to be oil food coloring. If you use water-based food coloring, this will not work. And you're going to need a water-based food coloring in yellow, and the oil-based food coloring you want in green. So green oil food coloring, yellow water-based food coloring. Clubhouse works just fine. You can get this at most of the grocery stores. I think you can in Canada anyways. They sell it at Safeway. And we're going to need vegetable glycerin, and we're going to need baby oil. Another thing we're going to use are these little lemon lime clay slices, and these are fairly readily available. I did buy these off Amazon. I've seen them all over the place. You could technically even make them if you wanted to, but they're pretty reasonable to buy. What we're going to do is you're going to put about a teaspoon of each one of these into your tumbler and just dump them on top, poke them in the hole. And then we're going to need 30 mils of vegetable glycerin. And then we're going to add the white icing dye. And we're going to add yellow food coloring to that. So we'll just add our yellow. And then we're going to add this to our squeeze bottle. And I have some dyed baby oil left over from the last project that I did, so I'm just going to kind of explain to you how I did that. What we do is I add a baby oil to one of these squeeze bottles, just plain clear baby oil. This is the one I use. And then we're going to drip in one big drop of the oil-based food coloring. The stuff is pretty potent. You don't need a lot of it. And then just shake it up really well. Make sure there's no little chunks of the dye left. Make sure it's all in there. And then we're going to add this all to the tumbler. All right, so we've got all of our clay pieces into the tumbler, and now we're going to add our vegetable glycerin. And after we're done adding the vegetable glycerin, we will add the dyed baby oil. After you add the dyed baby oil, you want to seal up your tumbler. I do have a video out called 3 Ways to Seal Your Snow Globe Tumbler, so I really do recommend watching that if you're confused about sealing the tumbler. Alright, so here is our finished tumbler after it's been sitting for a little while. So we should get some good drips out of it. And thanks so much for watching. I do put out at least one new video every week, so please subscribe. If you enjoyed the content, please do give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.